Are you figuring out how to turn off the screen lock on your iPhone? We're here to help. Here's a simple guide that will take you through the step-by-step process. How to turn off screen lock on iPhone using a professional tool. Are you not able to access your iPhone due to a screen lock? If so, consider using a professional tool like iOS Unlock to disable the screen lock. iOS Unlock is a robust application that can help you easily unlock any iOS devices. How to turn off lock screen on iPhone using iTunes. Are you finding a way to disable the screen lock of your iPhone? iTunes can also help you with that. It is an official Apple-developed program that enables users to sync their iOS devices with their computers and make other modifications to them. How to disable lock screen on iPhone using password. You can also try manually unlocking the iPhone's lock screen by entering the iPhone's password. This method applies if you previously set a password for your iPhone and can access the password.